My nose itches, man. Here we go. As soon as I press record, bro. Alright, let me tell y'all a little something about what happened this 4th of July. So, you know, I'm hanging out with the homie, you know, just chatting it up for like the whole evening, and we decided to go ride for a little bit. And you know, he don't like ride around like how I do. Like he just be chilling, like cruising, which is what I should be doing. But so I told him, I was like, hey, can you record like a flyby for me? And he was like, yeah, I'm down. So we pulled over. We're on like this one back road, and you know, there's like barely any cars. We're like, all right, this would be a perfect spot. Nice long straight road. And so he was like, I'm gonna be like throwing my hands up and stuff, like if there's any cops. I was like, I bet. And like whenever I get down to the spot, like where I was about to start taking off at, I couldn't even see him. He was so small, like so far away. Like, I couldn't even tell like if he was doing anything. But he wasn't though. He didn't see any cops or anything. So I'm hitting it, and the bike tops out at like 140, but I only hit like 130 because I ran out of room. But so yeah, I did the flyby and everything. It turned out really good. It's a video that I uploaded, that little short. And I get back, and as I'm turning around to go back towards him, I see a car in my mirror, and all I see is a white hood with some dark like side fenders, and I'm like, motherfucker, I'm finna go to jail. Like, dude, like my heart fucking sank. I was dragging that bitch on the floor. Like, oh man, that was so scary. So I turn around and I'm just like, you know what, fuck it, if I go to jail, I go to jail, you know, maybe it's a cool cop. But yeah, so like I get back, and like the cop's sitting there talking to my friend, and so like my friend, we both knew, we're like, oh shit. So like he started making up some bullshit story, because the cop was like, is something wrong, like you good, like what are you doing? And my friend was like, yeah, no, it's just like my bike's just overheating, so I'm just letting it cool down for a little bit. And he was like, yeah, it's always been having problems and stuff. And I just called my buddy over, he's referring to me, to come like, you know, like ride home with me, you know, make sure like everything goes good and shit. And mind you, I'm not saying a fucking word. I'm like, fuck this, I'm not saying shit. I was so scared, man. I did not say a word. I'm just sitting there staring and listening, and I'm like, bro, when is he gonna fucking just like cuff my ass, bro? It was so scary. But he ended up never asking for our licenses or anything. Like neither of us had our licenses on us. Yeah, luckily he didn't ask for anything. And I'm assuming he didn't see me doing the flyby, but I feel like he definitely knew I did it, like 100%. But what I'm thinking is he probably heard it. That's probably all he heard was like my bike. He didn't see anything, but like I know, like if you hear that shit flying by, you know somebody's hauling ass whenever you hear it. But I mean, that's not really any proof. So yeah, I got away with that. Very fucking luckily. Like, then on the way back to his house, I'm sitting there like shitting a brick on my bike. I was so fucking scared. But yeah, that's how my 4th of July went. Pretty fucking horrifying. But you know, the good thing is, I still got my bike. I'm not in jail. I'm still out on my bike. We're chilling. So that's all that matters. And I got a pretty fire flyby, so you know, can't go wrong with it. Not even like one day earlier, I'm gonna go take pictures, right? And I'm like out in like the deadest area ever, like literally no cars literally anywhere. Nobody went down the road I went down at all the entire time I was taking pictures. I was there for like probably an hour. But so on my way back home, like I do go on this sort of like, it's more overused road than what I was taking pictures on. But so it's like 2 lanes, like my lane right here going that way, and then the lane right next to me going the opposite way. And it's like not even dark yet. And I do have my headlights on because, you know, I'm a bike, so I want people to see me as much as possible. So, you know, I'm sitting there, I'm cruising, not even speeding. I'm literally going exactly the speed limit, like, because I'm just chilling. I'm just like, alright, trying to get home and shit. So there's like 3 cars coming up ahead of me, like towards me. And, you know, I'm not thinking anything about it. But then out of nowhere, like whenever we get like, I'm getting like really close, like to where that bridge is right now, like where it starts to incline. I see headlights going to my lane, and I'm like, yo, what the fuck, I'm finna die. And so I'm like, I start to get over like a little bit towards the shoulder and shit like this, and his headlights are moving with me, and I'm like, dude, no fucking way, somebody's like literally out here trying to kill me or some shit. Like, what the fuck is going on? I was literally like, oh man, my heart was beating so fucking fast. It was literally out of my chest. That was the scariest shit ever, dude. Like, and it ends up there trying to turn, like they were trying to turn like left across me. I was like, what the fuck are they doing? Like, this is not a turning lane. Clearly seeing me right here. Like, holy shit, man. I wanted to turn around and just like beat the shit out of them. That pissed me off so much. I can't stand drivers that just aren't paying attention or that just do stupid stuff like that. Yeah, that's how my July 4th weekend went. Yeah, anyways, right now I headed to the main park garage I always go to. I'm gonna try to film some cinematics. I was messing with my camera settings and stuff back at my house. You know, see what were like the best like camera settings and whatnot. Yeah, I'll try some of that. Maybe after I take pictures, I don't know. I might take just a couple pictures. And also, I finally went and got a new phone. Like, I went to the store. I was thinking of getting like the 13 Pro Max because like I had the 8 Plus, and I'm like, oh yeah, I like the big phones and shit. So I was like, alright, I'll get another big phone. Dude, I got to the store. Those things are beyond big. Those things are fucking huge. Things literally a whole tablet, man. Like, I was like, I don't need all that. And the regular Pro was the same exact size as my 8 Plus. So I was like, dude, why not just get the regular? So that's what I did. I just ended up going with the regular 13 Pro. Nah, it's so much better than my 8 Plus. My 8 Plus would just overheat, get really slow, battery would die really fast, everything. It just sucked. And I put it like online on the website. I was like seeing that like how much my phone was worth, so they could like knock the price off like on my new one. Bro, just said $85. I was like, no fucking way. 256 gigabyte iPhone 8 Plus, never been cracked. Literally, it just sucks because it's so old. And $85. I was like, dude, fuck that. I'll just keep that shit, just in case if like my new one breaks or some shit, or if someone else needs a phone, you know, they can just use that one temporarily or something. You know, it's just not worth getting rid of that for $85 off. Fuck that. Hell no. Oh yeah, I also got a pressure washer. My friend, the one that I was riding with that one time whenever I almost got thrown in jail, yeah, he told me about it. He had one. He said it was a little electric one. He said he got his for like $60. I was like, holy shit. Because every time I've seen them, I always see them with gas ones or them big electric ones that are like $400 to $500. And I was like, dude, I'm not dropping that much on a pressure washer because it's like I don't need it, you know. But it would be nice to have it, but I did not need it. But yeah, he told me about that one. I was like, dude, shit, I'm finna go get that. He said it works just fine for like, you know, just washing a bike or something. And I was like, well, there we go, I'm sold. But yeah, and that thing, I literally went on my bike to get it, and I was trying to fit it in my backpack and everything. What the hell's wrong with these roads, man? I've been seeing like shit everywhere, like every part of the road. Even on 59, I was seeing like a lot of big ass chips just like that. I was riding right over them because I mean I was going so fast you don't notice them. But like, jeez, man, what the hell? Anyways, where was I? Damn, I get so fucking distracted. Oh yeah, the pressure washer. So I went to Home Depot to get it because that's where they had them. And I saw the box. The box was fucking huge. I was like, no way. I was like, no way I'm getting this thing home on my bike. And I had my little ass backpack on. So I was like, you know what? Maybe that's just like the stick, like the long, the spray gun, the handle and shit. You know what I mean? So I was like, alright, I'll just get it and I'll just go in the parking lot, unbox it, and put it in my backpack. Cause you know, it can't be that big. Dude, I get there, I unbox that shit. That thing was fucking huge. It's literally just the size of the box. I was like, no way, it's not gonna work. But I ended up squeezing that thing in my backpack. My backpack didn't even close all the way. That thing was literally half open my whole way home. I took back roads because I was like, you know, I'm not trying to let this thing fly out. That would suck. I did get the warranty, but I don't know if that falls under the qualifications of it. But yeah, so I somehow got home. I don't know how my backpack was still alive. I carried some crazy shit. Because one time I carried like 12 packs of soda in it. Like, I just went to the parking lot and started unboxing all of them and fit all those in my backpack. And that was heavy, dude. I don't know how my backpack did not bust. I was like waiting to just see on the news, oh, biker backpack flies open, soda spill all over the road. But luckily that didn't happen. But yeah, I tried out the pressure washer and everything, and it works just fine. Like, I love it, and I'm so glad I got that W purchase. And it has that foam blaster too. Makes washing my bike so much easier and faster. Like, I used to have the bucket with the sponge. I'd be re-dipping it and just reapplying and scrubbing everything in. I could probably still scrub it in. That wouldn't do too bad. You know, that's always good to scrub, because I feel like just letting soap and water just sit on it isn't gonna do too much. But I don't know, maybe I just don't know what I'm talking about. Maybe it does, I don't know. It probably does do a better job than I think it does, but it makes it a lot easier no matter what. I just spray it all on there. I can get all up everywhere. It is just everywhere. I know the bike is completely filthy, but I was like, I'll take some pics and do some cinematics. Oh yeah, this is the, see what I mean, like the yellow lights, it looks really cool whenever it's like really dark. Alright, well, I'm finna do my thing, you know, see how things turn out. I don't even know how I can edit that shit, bro. I'm not no editor. Shit, I'll see what I can do with the cinematics. I'll try to, you know, look at some TikToks for some inspiration and shit. But yo, I'm gonna get to that. I'll see y'all afterwards, I guess. Alright, just got done taking my pics and attempting to film some cinematics. And if the cinematics go good and they look good and I can edit them to where I like them, then y'all will see them right now. But if not, then they turned out like shit. That's all I'm saying. Because I want to start making like TikToks and stuff. Like, I don't know what else to make other than like cinematics. Like, I posted one TikTok. It was that flyby I did. That's it. I don't know what else to do. Man, the other day I saw this little ass bike on the freeway, dude. Homie was in a full tuck and everything. I got a picture of it that I can put up right now. Dude, it was the funniest thing ever. And we were in the work truck. So, and like, some people think we're like cops. Like, we don't even really look like cops. But I mean, I get it, you know, there's like a light bar on the top, and you know, it's a Chevy, man. Like, you know, that's just what cops be rolling in. Yeah, he just kept looking back at us. He definitely thought we were like cops or something, but it was the most funny thing ever. He was going pretty fast too, like 70 miles per hour, and it looked like a little Grom. I'm not too sure what it was. I'm pretty sure it was a Grom, but it was so funny. Alright, well, it's about that time to end the video here, but you know, I hope y'all enjoyed, and if y'all did, make sure to subscribe. I'm still trying to keep my upload schedule like every Sunday, 11 a.m. So far, I think this will be my 4th video. This will be my 4th, or not, definitely 4th, not 5th. This will be my 4th video. But yeah, stay tuned for that. If y'all want to keep watching my videos and shit, I'll try to upload every Sunday from now on. I'm not gonna lie, I've been pushing it. Like, it's like every Friday I go out and record, bro, like last minute type shit. But I'll try to get my shit out like a lot sooner, or record it a lot sooner, so that's less stress on me to like hurry up and edit it and everything. But yeah, make sure y'all like it, y'all comment, tell me what type of videos y'all want to see, and also go follow my Instagram. And no, not a TikTok, not yet. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one, man. Peace. The fuck? Fucking dumbasses, man. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Right as I just end the video, well, y'all seen that, I'm throwing that shit in.